My name is Brad Hall. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how dirty the Yeezy 350 V2 Triple White gets after an hour of wear. This is definitely a beautiful shoe. It's got some white to it. It's got some nice creaminess to it. I just love looking at this shoe when it's brand new. But something that I've learned about shoes after years of wearing them, they do get dirty. Now, to give you an idea of how dirty this shoe is gonna get after 1 hour, I went about testing it, doing normal things. I didn't do anything funny. I didn't wear them to a rock quarry. I just went about my normal day. So to start the test, I put the shoes on, started a timer, and headed out to run a couple errands. My first stop was a place that I haven't been able to get out of my head since last week when I was filming another video and I saw an ad for it. So just a quick stop at White Castle for the $3 bacon threesome deal. I gotta tell you, this deal, it totally lived up to the hype of that bus ad. The flavors, they were all there, and I finished my sandwich so quickly. Then I also got fries and a soda to cleanse that palate. What a deal. The best part of all this, I didn't get any on my shoes, so I'm in good shape in that department. So after that, it was time for one more $3 bacon threesome deal. I went through this one quickly, and in terms of shoes, the one problem area here, I did get up to throw out my garbage this time, so I walked around on the pavement. At this point, I didn't have a lot of time left, so for my third meal, I had to eat that one in the car. Something really important that I found out during this test, an hour really flies by when you're eating 3 meals in a row. So now, let's take a look at those shoes. This is after an hour of normal wear, and as you can see, the uppers, they look pretty good. The midsole, that looks pretty good. Those soles, they have dirt on them, but that's expected. The only real eyesore is the right heel, and that's from driving. My floor mat must be dirty, so maybe I'll figure out a solution for that. But otherwise, the shoes look great. So that's exactly what you can expect if you wear your Yeezy 350 V2 Triple White for an hour, doing just normal things.